recently picked up the Titan 10902 4-piece tape measure set, and I'm thrilled with how practical and reliable these tapes are. Each one 12, 16, 25, and 33 feet covers a different need, ensuring I always have the perfect size on hand. The rugged construction makes them feel sturdy in my grip, and the smooth standout blades are easy to read, so I never struggle to get an accurate measurement. They also retract without a snag, which is a welcome bonus. Overall, this set offers fantastic value, versatility, durability, and convenience. Definitely a smart investment for anyone tackling projects, big or small.